Hi guys, welcome to our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. I'm Gaia from Create, Login and Delete, and let's move on without further ado. For the very first step, you have to head to chat.openai.com. Now from this page, you have to click on Sign Up. Now the very first step for you to create an account is to type in your email address. Moving on, you have to create a password for your account. After that is done, a verification link will be sent to your mailbox, so you can just go ahead and click on Open Gmail. This is what the mail would look like. Now you have to click on this green box that says Verify Email Address. To complete the sign up process, you have to now type in your first and last name, then your birth date. Now select your country and you have to type in your phone number. Once that is done, you have to click on Send Code, then a verification code will be sent to your phone number. You just have to type in the code and you would have successfully created a ChatGPT account. Once you are logged in, this is what the interface should look like. This message bar is where you type in your prompt. Here are some examples for what you could ask ChatGPT to do. These are the capabilities. And of course, ChatGPT comes in with some limitations. You can type in your prompt in the message bar. Let me go ahead and click on one of the examples. Now you can click on this paper plane icon or just enter. Midway, if you realize that this is not what you want, then you can click on Stop Generating. You can also edit your prompt. For that, you just have to go to the prompt, then you'll be able to see this icon right here. Now you can just make the edit, and once that is done, you just have to click on Save and Submit. On the left side of the tab, you'll be able to see your history. Now, if you want to move on to the next prompt, you have to click on New Chat. Then you would have to type in your new prompt in the message bar. For every new chat that you create, it will be saved to your histories. If you want to delete one, you just have to click on it. Then you'll be able to see this delete icon. This is the free version of ChatGPT. If you want to upgrade to Plus, then at the left corner of the screen, you'll be able to see Upgrade to Plus. With this plan, you'll be able to use ChatGPT even when it is in high demand, plus you'll be getting faster responses, and you'll be prioritized with the new features. Now, if you think you want to upgrade, you just have to click on Upgrade Plan and make your payments. Now, right beside your name, you'll be able to see the three-dot icon. From here, what you can do is, if you are ever confused about something, then you can head to Help and FAQs. If you want to clear all of the conversations from your history, then you can do it from here. Now from these settings, what you can do is you can change the theme. If you want to switch it to a dark or light mode, then you have to click on this arrow. Then you can change it to what you want. From these settings, you can also clear all of the chats. The next tab is Data Controls. Here, if you want to turn off chat history, then you just have to click on this toggle. From these settings, you also get the option to export data and delete your account. Finally, if you are done using ChatGPT and if you want to sign out from your account, you just have to click on Log Out.